Hey there, fitness fam! Welcome to our channel where we make fitness fun and accessible for everyone. Ready to kickstart your fitness journey but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed when starting out. I've got you covered with some super simple bodyweight exercises that are perfect for beginners. These exercises are easy to follow and can be done right in the comfort of your home. No gym, no equipment, no problem. You don't need fancy gear to get started. Let's dive right in and get moving. First off, let's talk about the classic push-up. It's a staple in any fitness routine for a reason. It's a fantastic full-body exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Plus, it engages your core and even your legs to some extent. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Remember to breathe in as you lower and breathe out as you push up. Keep your core tight and maintain a straight line from head to heels. This ensures you're working the right muscles and protecting your back. Next up, the squat. This one's a powerhouse for your legs and glutes. Squats are essential for building lower body strength and improving mobility. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. This stance helps you maintain balance and proper form. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form. Push through your heels to stand back up. Easy, right? Squats are great for toning your legs and boosting your overall fitness. Now, let's move on to the plank. This is a great way to strengthen your core and improve stability. It's a simple yet effective exercise. Start on your hands and knees, then step your feet back to form a straight line from your head to your heels. Make sure your hands are directly under your shoulders. Hold this position, squeezing your glutes and keeping your core engaged. This will help you build a strong and stable core. Aim for 20-30 seconds to start and build up from there. As you get stronger, try to hold the plank for longer periods. Don't forget about lunges. Lunges are excellent for working your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They also help improve your balance and coordination. Stand tall, then step one foot forward and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and switch legs. This ensures both sides of your body get an equal workout. Keep your upper body straight and your core tight. This helps you maintain balance and proper form throughout the exercise. Lunges are great for building strength and endurance in your lower body. Now let's finish strong with some mountain climbers. Lastly, let's finish with some mountain climbers. These get your heart rate up and work your entire body. They're a fantastic cardio exercise. Start in a high plank position, then drive one knee towards your chest and quickly switch legs. It's like running in place but in a plank position. Keep your core engaged and move as fast as you can while maintaining good form. This will help you burn calories and build endurance. Mountain climbers are a great way to finish your workout with a burst of energy. And there you have it. 5 simple bodyweight exercises to kickstart your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it and you'll see progress. Start slow, focus on your form, and gradually increase your intensity. You've got this. These exercises are just the beginning. As you get more comfortable, you can add more exercises and increase the difficulty. The important thing is to keep moving and stay motivated. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Your support means a lot to us. See you next time and keep crushing those fitness goals. Stay active, stay healthy, and most importantly, have fun with your fitness journey.